Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can fix invisible WhatsApp notifications in POCO C55. So if you don't see your WhatsApp alerts at the start, always check your DND mode. So open the top menu, expand the icons, and now just look for the moon icon with the DND. Now make sure that you have this feature deactivated, because sometimes you can just enable it by the misclick and just miss it. So check it, and after that hold the finger on the WhatsApp icon and go to the app info. We're gonna start from the notifications. Of course you have to turn it on if you don't have it, and after that go to the additional settings. Now make sure that you have activated high priority notifications here and here. In the next step, try to clear your data usage. I don't have any, so no, clear the data usage. Just open your data usage. I can't do it because I don't have a SIM card. Just try to enable the background data and unrestricted data usage in this place. If you still don't have your alerts, make the backup of your messages and go to the storage. Now just clear data and choose clear all data. After that you have to log in again to the WhatsApp app and check your notifications. You still don't have it, open the settings, and let's try to reset your network settings. So we have to open the connection sharing, swipe down and look for the reset Wi-Fi. As you can see, the Bluetooth is included here. Tap on the reset settings and tap on the OK. And the last step, try to update your system, so go to the Apple phone and choose MIUI version. Now if you have an update, just install it and check your notifications again. That's it, thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.